If you ever have this problem where your key fob is not lowering your top here on your Mercedes, let me tell you what the problem is. See how I'm holding the button? The only thing you're supposed to do is just hold that unlock button, and it's supposed to lower your top. But the problem was the battery was low. We got an error message there in the vehicle saying the battery was low. So we went on and changed the battery. And it's easy to change that battery. I got a couple of videos on how to change the battery here in this key fob. But once we changed this battery, it worked great. So if you want to know how to change the battery, just look through my videos. And matter of fact, I'll put a link in this video showing you where to go. So now we got the battery changed and it works like a pro. You see how I'm holding the button there to unlock? You just keep your hand on the button and it will lower your top. It will open your top. So that's how you can open your top. And when you want to close the top, you just hit the lock button and hold it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the lock button and show you how that works. Just hold it and it's gonna bring your top back up. And that's the only problem. If your battery ever get low in your key fob, just go ahead and change it. Even though it's working to lock and unlock the door, it's best to go ahead and change it because it'll cause probably more problems later. All right, thanks for watching.